All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this automatic Rebound ab roller wheel. Right, so it comes with a nice little foam pad. So unless you are like super like jacked, you're gonna have to do this from your knees for this exercise. It has a nice little knee pad. That's pretty cool. All right, this comes in a couple different colors. You got the red one, you got the blue one, and you got a white and blue one. So here's this, it's sturdy, and then it comes with this bar. That just goes right through here. And just like that. And it has these two handles here. And those just go right onto there. There and on this side. All right, that's it for this. So it's got a little thing on here. If you're really like crazy at working out and you just sit there and watch a video while you're doing your ab roller, it has a little phone holder on there. I don't think I can do a lot of these, but we're gonna give it a shot here. So you want this facing you, this area here, or else it'll pull against the, when you push it out, this actually helps you like roll back in there. So, all right, let's give this a go here, shall we? So if you start here and go out, and that comes back in, we can actually go a little bit further, I think. So, and the closer you bring it into you, like the more it's going to assist you. Because when this rolls out, it creates tension on the thing and it'll help you bring it back in. So we can go all the way out to there. And if we bring it out a little further and then go out, that's going to be just like add resistance to your workout there. So that's pretty difficult. It's pretty much like a whole core strength workout, upper arms, shoulders, back and abs. And then you can do, like, I'm not very flexible, but you can go like this and go out and bring it back. That like stretches your quads or your hamstrings back there, I think, and everything else. And that's really difficult to like roll it out there, but it actually comes to like a stopping point out there. So, and then you can go off to the sides too. You can rotate this like out and come back in. So it works different, like more like oblique sides too. And then, but it doesn't have to be like, if you can't do it like all the way out there like that, you can just bring it in closer and then it'll assist you with that. Also, just the closer you bring it in, you could almost even actually cheat a little bit and bring it in from the side and then over and just go out a little bit and then come back in. And then just start out slow and then just build up progress from there. Oh, that's pretty difficult actually to go all the way out like that. Not the fittest person, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this a lot. Lower ab workouts are kind of difficult to do sometimes. So with this assisting thing, it's kind of helpful. Feels really sturdy though. It's got the rubber wheels here. Nice grip, so whether you're on like a concrete floor like I have or carpet or anything like that, it's going to grip nicely. It's like a metal bar that goes through here, and yeah, it just seems like real nice construction. Some of the other ab wheels are like just the wheel and doesn't have that assist, so unless you're like advanced, like really fit, not a lot of people can just sit there and just right off the bat with the wheel with the bar through it and just go out and come back in, and it's no problem for them, I guess. But for beginners and stuff like that, and even advanced, like this is pretty cool. So yeah, thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.